Hi, this is Rusty Squire with Sly Dog Production. Hey, I decided to put together a little bit of a video that I thought would help a lot of people in the real estate community understand how to make better video production and how to better market their properties. The old model of marketing is broken. MLS and standard systems just don't work anymore. I mean, you're competing with Zillow, Trulia, hundreds of different websites, Facebook, YouTube. 70% of all the online traffic today is video, and what you need to be able to do is understand how to get the most out of a video when you market a client's property. So I'd like to share a little bit of that information with you. Here are my 10 best tips for how to better film real estate video to market property. Tip number 1. What are the best exterior features of the home, and which direction, north, south, east, west, are these features oriented? It doesn't do you any justice to the features themselves if they don't have good light on them. So proper time of day is critical. And that's why prior to filming a property, it's really important to know what direction it faces. Number 2, is the interior of the home immaculate and well staged? You know, messy homes make for messy videos, and it's better to do it another day once the owner's had a chance to clean it up, or perhaps you've had a chance to help them clean it up. Number 3, create a list of features that the video cannot capture, like square footage, bedrooms, baths, acreage, and other details that can be included in the voice narration. This helps maximize information value and appeal to multiple senses. Number 4, put people in the video. People are going to live in a house, raise their families there, and spend social time. Show people doing these things to help maximize the emotional effect of the production. It always leads to a better result. Number 5, use aerial drone footage to orient viewers to the surroundings and to create captivating exterior shots. Number 6, use camera cranes and Steadicams to add additional looks and raise the production value. Just shooting off a camera tripod isn't going to get the job done. You can crop and zoom and pan all day long, but having a camera rise up on a crane above a granite countertop to reveal a giant vaulted kitchen, or having a Steadicam walk through a family room, that raises the production value significantly. Number 7, focus on the money rooms in the home, like kitchens, living rooms, master suites, and skip things like half baths, garages, and rooms. They're not going to create buyer interest. Number 8, use lifestyle footage and tie the home to nearby features like universities, commercial districts, and nearby recreation. Proper distribution and online marketing of your content is critical. And this is one place I see realtors really falling down. They'll get a piece of content made, but then they don't spend any time building links to it, marketing, raising its rank on Google, or doing anything to get visibility with the targeted audience that they're after. Great content without targeted eyeballs will not create buyers, no matter how good the content is. Number 10, make 2 videos. A longer tour video of the house, and then a teaser video of 12 to 15 seconds to market on social media. We did a lot of social media marketing last year, and it's so effective. 12 to 15 second videos on Facebook. We did one for a dust control company in Livingston that worked wonderfully. And you can target these things right into the specific zip code or to specific types of interests and buyers. These are just a few of the video filming tips for realtors that should help real estate professionals create better content with higher production value. And you know, we use strategies like these, plus we have high-powered blog networks, and then we also use a very, very high-powered press release site that helps build links to your content so that your content gets onto page 1 of Google. There's an old joke in the SEO business, and that is that the best place to bury a dead man is on page 2 of Google. And it's true. People just don't go beyond the first page, and in most cases they don't go beyond the first 3 listings. The first 3 listings on Google get 70% of all the traffic. That's how powerful this stuff is. So I hope this was helpful for you, and happy selling.